you are in a hurry to reach your college and you also have to pick up your friend on the way. When you reach the meeting point, you call him and he says, I'm just coming. But he takes more time than expected. You start getting irritated and lose your patience. Finally, you leave him here and drive away because you feel angry. Losing your temper over small things is not the right way to handle situation. Before reacting, it is important to look at things from the other person's perspective too. If someone is getting late, it doesn't mean they are doing it intentionally. There may be genuine reasons. Maybe they face some problems at home or get stuck in traffic or need a few extra minutes. Patience helps you understand others better and handle situation calmly. It also strengthens relationship while impatience can damage them.